Sanibonani ndibela nofshini. Hi, welcome to Tumisi Tiye Elizabeth. Ngafuna ukuthi uliphuze ujahile kodwa lifuna ukuthi uhlale phansi ukuze uzolithokozela. One thing about Anele Mdonda was like, yazini, I'm taking my love straight to Netflix as we are going to have a wedding special yaka Anele Mdonda nendoda yakhe Baza or Buza, whatever that is, angazi mina shem. I'm sorry if I pronounced it wrong, especially because umuntu wasebukhosini angifuni ukuthi nje sekufika isikhathi ukuthi manje sokuzomela ngihlawule inkomo engenayo. So Anele was like, no, I'm not going to take my wedding to Mzansi Magic. I'm not going to take it to Ilona Imoja Love. Mina nje high standard, I'm a high profile celebrity ngithi Netflix kwabanjani. Ngifuna ukuthi nomuntu ohlele Zimbabwe nomuntu ohlele America akwazi nje ukubukela umshado wami as we explain ukuthi sahlangana kanjani, wangishela wathini, yini yenza ukuthi ngimshade, the vibes you get. And enye into, you must also remember that they had a secret wedding. Maybe it's because they knew ukuthi yazini there's no need ukuthi nje sibabonisa ama snippets umshado wethu because kumele bakhokhe ukuthi bazosibukela, because I mean we are talking Anele Mdonda, we are talking the Bathembu, if I'm not mistaken, the Bathembu royal family, like we are a cousin. So what you mean, what you expect, obviously you cannot, because even Dala, we used to hear stories about the fact that people from the royal families get married in secrets. That's what we've grown to know. So obviously, I was not shocked when I found out that the husband is from a royal family. So maybe I thought that is part of culture, but yazini, but ihlala phansi ubophipondo, don't tatazela, just zazazele ngoba sizonilethela yona umshado lona ngawubonanga ku Netflix. The date has not been confirmed. We just know ukuthi yazini khona into ezayo, khona into hey. They've been married for a year, so for their 1 year anniversary, they were like, yazini, asibanikeze nje into yokubamba umoya, into yokuthi nje babe entertain, because bayabona ukuthi yazini the entertainment industry, one thing about is South African, things good dry nyana man, sitting it man ezoshukumisa. So they were like, yazini, don't worry, we are going to see never seen footage from the wedding, from their dating life, from their relationship. But a candid angazi nokuthi kumshuthini ucandid senza ngitshela nina enazi ukuthi what does a word candid means. Yeah, but nje sobona nje into ezinjalo yazini understand ukuthi kuze bafike la bekhona what happened. People are looking forward to it, although there are people who are like, hey, yabazi nje iskandal negaqa ezihlangene nendoda ka Anele, but mina nje angihlangene nalokho because I don't have lawyers. Angifuni ukuthi nje ngisole sengichaza ukukhuluma because of the content. Next thing, now ama lawyer la siwamile egedini athi hey wena busy phela ukhuluma lapha kuma social media buthini. So I'm not gonna go into that. The only thing that I wanted to tell you about is the special with yazini lindelani something khona into ezayo, something is coming up. I forgot ukuthi ngisithole kuphi scope, but one thing I know is that I got it from X. We've had wedding special in South Africa. We've had a wedding special like Mini Lamini, which unfortunately didn't went well, but it ended in tears and Tagabao. We had a wedding special like Pumeza no Shota. We had a wedding special like Dineo Langa and Solo Langa. So yeah, Angie, I'm a wedding special. I'm a wedding special is not something new. We've had those before, but the only difference with this one is that it's a royal wedding special. So obviously, like, we are all looking forward to it because we want to know what's kahle bazenza njani izinto in the royal family. Thanks for watching till this far. Please don't leave without liking, commenting, subscribing. If you're watching on Facebook and TikTok, please make sure to follow. Kota like Hanishi. See you next time when I drop another hot banger. Bye.